Potted plants may look vibrant above the soil, but beneath the surface their roots are confined, with limited space to access nutrients and moisture. To thrive, they rely on us to provide what the pot cannot, the essential nutrition needed to build strong, resilient plants with lasting growth and colour.
Strike Back for Orchids is a complete, organically based, nutritionally boosted fertiliser specifically developed to enhance the growth and flower development of orchids and all other flowering and fruiting plants. Strike Back for Orchids concentrate is best applied during spring, autumn and winter every 4 weeks.
Just add 1 capful, around 40 millilitres, into a 10 litre watering can, then top it up with water to dilute. The microbes within Strike Back for Orchids are in a sleeping state until diluted, so be sure not to miss this step. Apply directly as a foliar feed and to the soil around the plants where the microbes are most effective. For best results, do this when the UV levels are low. The mixture remains effective for up to a week after dilution. Packed with essential nutrients and trace elements, Strike Back for Orchids supports root development and encourages strong, long-lasting blooms for all potted flowering plants.
It contains the same great nutrients as the pelletized version, plus 13 specifically selected beneficial microbes that help boost resilience and plant growth.
Its liquid form is easy to apply and delivers nutrition instantly, allowing your plants to quickly absorb what they need to thrive.
For more information, visit the Nutrog website or call into your local garden centre to shop the Nutrog range.